So got the Coronet 426 Wedge engine back, as you can see, all nicely redone. And going to be installing the heads, intakes, and other engine accessories and get it painted and ready for installation. As you can see, here's the other engine parts that I was able to round up. I've been trying to make sure that they're all 426 parts and all date code correct for about when, what would be correct for that engine. This air cleaner actually came from a guy that took it off in 19, and I believe he said 66, and put something else on that was breathing better and put it in a box. So this is basically almost brand new. And then we've got the 426 water pump housing, intake manifold, some pulleys, the chrome valve covers, and I believe the correct fan. So I'm going to be putting all these parts on the engine really soon. 2 coats are on. As you can see, it's starting to look pretty good. I have a couple spots that I have to still degrease and sand and repaint. I'm going to let this harden and probably give it another 2 coats. As you can see here, the engine's pretty much complete other than some accessories and stuff, and it is being brought to the other shop where it's going to be put on the K-frame and all the new suspension and actually installed in the car the way the factory would have done it, by actually raising it into the car versus dropping it in through the hood section. But for the most part, other than some accessories, this 426 is ready to go. Next time you see this, it'll be actually inside the car.